Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here for another Nā Huaʻōlelo o Ka Mālama. The month is March, whereas we have in our lunar calendar in Hawaii, Nā. Nā mea Huaʻōlelo o Ka Mauli Ola Hawaiʻi, the Hawaiian values, so much a part of our Partners in Development Foundation. Aloha is our first value. We'll be fashioning it after the acronym developed by our kupuna Pilahipaki. And this is where she uses A for the word Akahai, kindness, grace, gentle, meek, to be expressed with tenderness. Our sentence, Pōmaikaʻi ka poʻe Akahai, no ka mea e lilo ka honua lākou. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. From Matthew 5, verse 5, those lovely Beatitudes. Hope you enjoyed this. Ola i ka Ola Hawaiʻi. Aloha.